How to add watermark on photos in camera on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Add the watermark on photos in camera on Android or Xiaomi over here. What you can simply do is just make a long press or tap on the camera icon. As you tap on the camera icon, simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Here, select on settings option available over here. As you do that, you can see the option of watermark under the modes category. So just tap on watermark and then tap on the option of whichever watermark you would want. Now, if you want to customize a watermark, you can just tap on custom watermark and then you can just enter it over here and then tap on save. So you can just save it and then go back and then click a picture. And as you click a picture over here, you'll get the watermark on your picture. So you can just go and view your picture over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.